Modern enterprises run on software, but very few run on a single system. They rely on dozens, sometimes hundreds of applications spread across data centers, cloud platforms, and third-party services. These systems are built at different times, by different teams, using different technologies. The real challenge is not building applications anymore. The challenge is making them work together reliably, securely, and at scale. This is the problem space where MuleSoft exists. MuleSoft is an integration and application programming interface platform designed to connect systems, data, and services across an enterprise. At its core, MuleSoft enables organizations to integrate applications and expose capabilities as reusable application programming interfaces, often abbreviated as APIs. Instead of building point-to-point connections between systems, MuleSoft promotes a structured, scalable, and governable approach to integration. To understand MuleSoft, it helps to step back and look at how integration evolved. Early integration was largely point-to-point. One application talked directly to another using custom code. This approach worked initially, but it did not scale. As the number of systems increased, the number of connections grew exponentially. Changes became risky, testing became complex, and outages became common. Integration logic was tightly coupled and difficult to reuse. MuleSoft addresses this by providing a unified platform where integration logic is centralized, standardized, and managed. The platform is built around Mule, a lightweight integration runtime that executes flows. A flow defines how data moves from a source system to a target system, how it is transformed, validated, and secured along the way, and how errors are handled. These flows are designed using Anypoint Studio, a development environment based on Eclipse, and deployed to runtime environments that can run on-premises, in the cloud, or in hybrid configurations. One of MuleSoft's strongest advantages is its API-led connectivity approach. Instead of thinking only in terms of integrations, MuleSoft encourages teams to design APIs as first-class assets. APIs are not just technical endpoints. They are contracts that define how systems interact. MuleSoft categorizes APIs into 3 layers. System APIs expose core systems like enterprise resource planning or customer relationship management platforms. Process APIs orchestrate and combine data from multiple systems. Experience APIs tailor data for specific consumers, such as mobile apps or partner integrations. This layered approach brings several advantages. It reduces duplication because core system logic is implemented once and reused. It improves agility because changes in one layer do not necessarily break others. It also supports parallel development where teams can work independently as long as they adhere to API contracts. In large organizations, this model significantly reduces integration complexity over time. The value proposition of MuleSoft becomes clear when looking at enterprise scale. MuleSoft provides built-in capabilities for security, traffic management, monitoring, and governance. Security is handled through industry-standard mechanisms, such as OAuth, Mutual Transport Security Layer, and token-based authentication. Traffic management includes rate limiting, throttling, and spike control, which protect back-end systems from overload. Monitoring and logging provide visibility into performance, errors, and usage patterns. Governance ensures that APIs follow organizational standards and compliance requirements. Another important aspect of MuleSoft's value is reuse. APIs and integration assets are published to a centralized exchange where teams across the organization can discover and reuse them. This reduces development time and promotes consistency. Over time, enterprises build a catalog of reusable building blocks instead of repeatedly solving the same integration problems. It is also important to distinguish between integration and API management because MuleSoft covers both, but they serve different purposes. Integration focuses on connecting systems and moving data between them. This includes transformations, routing, orchestration, and error handling. API management focuses on controlling how APIs are exposed and consumed. This includes defining policies, securing access, monitoring usage, and managing versions. In many organizations, integration platforms and API gateways are separate tools. MuleSoft brings these capabilities together in a single platform. The Anypoint Platform provides tools for API design, development, deployment, and management alongside integration runtimes. This unified approach reduces operational overhead and ensures consistency across the API lifecycle. From an enterprise ecosystem perspective, MuleSoft typically sits at the center of digital architecture. It acts as a connective layer between systems of record, systems of engagement, and external partners. Systems of record include databases and core business platforms. Systems of engagement include web and mobile applications. External partners may include payment providers, logistics companies, or software as a service platforms, such as Salesforce, SAP, and Workday. MuleSoft supports a wide range of connectors, so it integrates easily with common enterprise technologies. These include databases, message queues, enterprise service buses, cloud services, and software as a service platforms, such as Salesforce, SAP, and Workday. MuleSoft also supports modern architectural patterns, such as microservices and event-driven architectures, often integrating with platforms like Apache Kafka or cloud-native messaging services. A real-world example helps illustrate this. Consider a global retail company with online and physical stores. Customer data lives in a customer relationship management system. Orders are processed in an order management system. Inventory is tracked in an enterprise resource planning system. The mobile app and website need real-time access to customer profiles, order status, and product availability. Without a structured integration platform, each application might connect directly to each back-end system. This quickly becomes fragile. With MuleSoft, the company can expose system APIs for customer, order, and inventory data. Process APIs can combine this data to create business-level views, such as a unified customer profile or real-time order tracking. When the inventory system changes, only the system API needs to be updated. The rest of the architecture remains stable. When a new channel is introduced, such as a partner marketplace, a new Experience API can be created without impacting existing consumers. This is the kind of decoupling that MuleSoft is designed to enable. Over the long term, MuleSoft supports the full lifecycle of integrations and APIs. APIs are designed using specifications such as OpenAPI. They are versioned to allow evolution without breaking consumers. Deprecated versions can be retired in a controlled manner. Runtime metrics and logs provide feedback on usage and performance. This lifecycle perspective is critical for large organizations where integrations may live for many years. Scalability and reliability are also central concerns. MuleSoft runtimes can be clustered for high availability. Deployments can be scaled horizontally to handle increased load. Failures can be isolated and retried using built-in error handling patterns. These features are essential for production environments where downtime has real business impact. In summary, MuleSoft is not just a tool for moving data from one system to another. It is a platform for designing, building, and managing integrations and APIs at enterprise scale. Its API-led connectivity model promotes reuse, agility, and governance. By unifying integration and API management, MuleSoft helps organizations reduce complexity while increasing speed and reliability. For enterprises navigating digital transformation, MuleSoft provides the connective tissue that allows systems to evolve without breaking the business.